Okay guys, welcome back to Ross Road Shop. I'm Lee. Today we're back on the 64. I'm gonna try to do something with this. Look at this. This is pretty bad. Somebody's tried to make them a patch. But I'm gonna take this out and see what we got underneath, which it doesn't look too promising. I know the light in here is not that great, but it doesn't look too promising. I'm gonna cut this seat out, clean out the floor, get everything out of here, and then we'll get started. Again, I'm just patching this, you know, I'm not restoring, just patching it to get it by. So we'll get after it. Okay, we got the seat out. Got my flashlight so you can better see what we got here. Somebody put a patch in it. 2 patches, 3 patches in it. I gotta get this other seat out, get it cleaned out, and then we'll get to work on it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
All right, you can see I got everything. I got a couple of bolts in it to hold it. I got to pull the back of the cab in and line it up with this. And you can see right here, press down on that, and this right here lines up with that groove in the floor there. So I'm gonna hold this down here, figure out a way to get this held down here, and then cut along there. Cut them both at the same time, and then butt weld it together. And then I can manipulate these, pull this in to get it lined up. And that'll be that. Okay guys, you can see I've got that tack welded there. I've got it tack welded around here. I've got tack welded there, there. It's in, sturdy. So I'll finish welding everything up and then we'll be done with this side. Okay guys, I've got this floor pan welded in. I've ground it down. There you see, got it welded across here, across there. Well, she's good to go. Now I got to get on the other side. I had to take the door off in order to get in here and weld that up. But everything's looking good. I've also got another, I'm gonna replace this cab corner because it comes with this piece down here that's rotted off, and then I'll remake this piece back across here. But that cab corner is gonna come up to about here. So, I've already got those sitting right here. So next I'll get on the cab corner on this side, and then we'll jump over to the other side. That's another one done. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank everybody for watching. The channel's doing great. I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. Please continue to do so. Don't forget to check out rossrodshop.com. I've got shirts, hats, mugs. Getting ready to update a lot of pictures and things on there. Check it out. We'll see you next time.